Super quick, just wanted to go over this exit ticket with you guys. Questions and responses were kind of all over the map, so I just thought, why don't I just record all the correct answers so that you guys, I just want to make sure that you guys know going forward what the correct answers are. So, who is the protagonist? Stargirl. It says, this is a tricky question. Think of the character who is the hero. She is the one that Leo is kind of following through this. A lot of people chose Leo for this. That's a really good guess, and I think you could probably make an argument for Leo, but Stargirl is our hero. She's the one that we're rooting for, basically. Who's the antagonist? This one's another tricky one. Think of the biggest threat to the way the protagonist lives. So once you know who the protagonist is, Stargirl, think of like the two characters or group of characters that present the biggest threat. Hillary is one of them, and like the society as a whole, the ones that are trying to fit in, present a threat to Stargirl. Question 3, what is the setting? Micah area high school, Arizona, present day. I had a lot of people click America present day. The thing that's wrong with that is that it's not specific enough. It says the setting is a specific time and place. So good. It is young adult fiction. A lot of other people have said that it's realistic fiction, which is also true, which is why it wasn't included here. But this is the best answer for the genre. Who is a narrator? That's Leo, of course. What is the point of view the story is told in? It's first person, told in Leo's perspective. Best words to describe the mood so far. Joyful and lighthearted is the best words to describe. Uplifted and inspired, a lot of people guessed that. I put that one in there to, just try and see if you were able to identify that the mood, the emotion that we're supposed to be feeling at the beginning is just joyful and lighthearted. Maybe by the end you might be feeling uplifted and inspired, but just for the beginning, you should be feeling that it's just like kind of joyful, lighthearted. You're not really getting a sense of like the moral to the story yet. Maybe by the end it would be B, but for now it's C. And then the last question, choose the best word to describe the tone so far. So the tone is the attitude of the writer. It's how he feels towards the subject. So reverent, meaning he thinks that we have something to learn from Stargirl, is the tone of the author. He is describing Stargirl and she sounds silly, but that's not his point. His point is that we have something to learn from her, and he wants us to pay attention to her. He's not resentful. He doesn't think she's mean, and he's not being sarcastic about her. He's presenting that she is different. She's unique. She's what some people might be considered weird, but he's not sarcastic about it. He's feeling that we need to learn something from her. Cool. So that's it. I just wanted to go over those questions and explain them. Please let me know if you have any questions.